itong China, dapat talaga, kung regular ang National Security Council may briefing, dapat hindi mangyayari yan.
So yun yung kulang.
Kulang yung dialogue within us.
Mhm.
Kulang yung disiplina that we have to talk as one voice. Yung nga sabi ni Kissinger, the trouble with us, the biggest problem with the foreign policy is that we keep talking differently. I'm just paraphrasing. No? And we have to talk as one. Sabi rin ni Kissinger, yung empire yung mga people who seek empire, they have no concept of international law or words to that effect. They just have their version of their own international law.